Fun fact, on average, us Brits consume around 117 million pancakes in one day. Pancake day, that is. They come in different shapes and sizes, but the question is, which one's the best? So let's start with the OG of pancakes, the American classic. You want the consistency to be a bit thick, almost similar to yogurt. I'd say out of the three, they're definitely the go-to. You want to place it in your pan, make sure it's greased, and once you see those bubbles, you want to flip. Leave it for another minute in the frying pan, and that's it. All you have to do now is eat them. Crepes are not your usual pancakes. They're much lighter and they're usually folded or wrapped. You're looking for the consistency of an on-whipped double cream. You want to keep on adding that milk until you reach that consistency. This is a similar method to the American pancakes. You want to add it to your frying pan, and once you see those bubbles, you want to flip. The best thing about these pancakes is that you can be really creative. You can add whatever toppings you like. As you can see, I'm going for the small steam. All you have to do is just put that in the oven for 10 minutes at 170 degrees C or 338 degrees Fahrenheit. The third and final pancake I made was the Jiggly Soufflé pancake. I love this pancake so much. This comes from Japan, where they separate the egg yolk and the egg whites to give it a fluffier texture. With these fluffy pancakes, it's all about giving it time to cook and using a really low heat. This pancake is so fluffy and it's definitely my favourite. It's just so cloudy and jiggly, and all you need is just one. So that's my 3 pancakes, with the jiggly pancake being the best, in my opinion. What's your favourite pancake? Let me know in the comments below. And remember to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.